So good afternoon, everyone. This is Awo Apala African Culture Factory with Ben Drummer African Culture. So here we want to discuss how to repair a talking drum from the scratch. So we will first of all show you people. This is the tier one. We have taught, as you can see, this one is taught already. We are going to show how we can remove the leather. That's the first procedure. It has a lot of procedure, but this is the number one procedure. As you can see, our African culture is removing the thread from the ring leather. We have the ring leather. We have the ring leather. We have the tension cord or tension string. In Yoruba we call it osan. So the first procedure is going on. As you can see, we are losing it.
Whereby removing the organ now.
Yes, we are removing the organ. That's the tiny rope. We are removing it. It has a lot of processing. This is one procedure. Out of it, we have to lose the osan. As you can see, it's moving fast. In no time, the osan, we are going to remove everything. As you can see, it's going little by little. We are doing it one after the other. Wow, as you can see, it's moving. Wow. As you can see, our African drum is removing the organ from the tension cord. As you can see, it's moving. So what he just did now is trying to remove the tension cord and hide it under the rope so that it will prevent the other one from not removing. That is the essence of what he just did now. You see, he removed 3 tension cord and he put it under the rope. The function is to protect the other one so that it won't be able to remove. As you can see, the processing is going on. It's moving fast. It's moving fast. As you can see, we're almost done. See, this is method I was trying to explain. It was hiding the tension cord under a rope so that it will prevent the other one from removing. So the function is to guide the other faces so that it won't remove. As you can see, that's what is demonstrating here. As you can see, that's good. It's moving. In no time, he has removing the tiny rope from the Oson in Yoruba is tension string or tension cord. It's almost done. The first procedure is about to round up. This one is how to remove the organ, that is tiny rope, from the tension cord. As you can see, it's almost done. That is it. The last but not the least. So the first procedure has finished. As you can see now, what you are watching, we call it wood. This is wood. It remain wood because those are the wood. As you can see, it's a new one. This one is new wood. So the one we removed, this is the wood. As you can see now, it's remaining the wood. So we will join us in the second procedure. We have done the first procedure. The second procedure that we are going to do now is to place the leather.
How to refuse.
Place the leather on top of the wood.
How to refuse.
How to
Refuse the leather.
how to refix the leather. That is the next one. Once the tall one has been removed, how to fix the new one. That's the next procedure. As you can see, this is wood. So it has the procedure. You can stop it.